Me that pray that's water come today. I mean, so me literally leave me a pray the water come today.
So you're
You
taking
just
it.
say me that say water come my pipe today. I
Yeah.
hope it come because you know get water for 3 weeks. So look like the man must see here and turn on the pipe.
The man upstairs.
No, the man off the road.
The man with the pipe.
The one with the pipe.
There's something special about coming home after a week away. We packed so much into those 7 days, exploring new places, trying new food, laughing together, and making memories that I know we'll be talking about for a long time. It was a week filled with adventure, and I wouldn't trade those moments for anything. But one thing I've learned is that even the best vacations have a way of reminding you just how much you appreciate home. There's something comforting about sleeping in your own bed, making morning coffee, hearing the familiar sounds around the house, and settling back into the rhythm of an everyday life. Those simple things don't seem very exciting until you've been away from them for a while. And of course, it didn't take the boys long to slip right back into their usual antics. The teasing started almost immediately. Someone was chasing someone else through the yard. There was laughing, a little arguing over nothing, and somehow the house instantly felt full of life again. It's noisy, it's unpredictable, and honestly, we wouldn't have it any other way. Now the suitcases are unpacked, the vacation is behind us, and it's time to get back into something we're really passionate about, learning this summer. We had a great week away, but coming home means getting back into investing in these boys, helping them build confidence, strengthen their reading and math, and reminding them that every small step forward matters. Sometimes, the greatest gift a vacation gives you isn't just the memories you make while you're away. It's the fresh appreciation you have for the life waiting for you when you come home.
Well, isn't that a pleasant surprise? So, it's Tuesday. Normally water comes on the pipe on Friday. We haven't gotten water for the last 3 weeks. And literally ran out of all the, we call it pipe water, last night. So while I had anticipated the lovely usage of rainwater for the coming days until we see water again, the water gods have blessed us with a pleasant surprise. There shall be no bucket baths today. it's time for coffee. Oh, and just when you thought the water gods were talking to you, turns out Sonia had something to do with it.
No, me that pray that's water come today. I mean, so me literally lead me a pray the water come today.
So you're taking
just say me that say water come my pipe today.
Yeah.
I hope it come because we don't get water for 3 weeks. So look like the man must see here and turn on the pipe.
The man upstairs?
No, the man
with
the road.
The man with the pipe.
The one with the pipe.
Well, I'm proud of you, dude. You did great. Oh.
When I turn on the pipe.
Yeah, but you sent that message out to the universe, and the universe responded.
Just talk and say, actually, you can get water when I get on this in water. Because this is hard doing on the water.
Yeah, I know. I was ready for that.
If you did, I know so one of them not be, one of them go to the bathroom last night and not be.
Oh boy, they're saving water, dude. They're doing it for everybody. They're so selfless.
And he was on the phone after 12.
Oh, that's another story. All right, even the chickens are happy. Look at you guys. I know. You know what that means? You know what that means? Absolutely nothing for you. Okay, we'll talk. Oh, man. Seems a little contrived. Is that the good C word of the day? That there's no place like home. And while Santo Domingo was very enjoyable, food was great, kids had a great time, the Airbnb was fantastic, location was great, even the bed was comfy, and the air conditioning, well, it was nice. Set at a solid 28, 26 if we really felt overzealous. Celsius, obviously. But while the percolator coffee was nice, and shout out to the Airbnb who left coffee for us, like he knew. There's, I don't know, there's something about the foam. There's something about the cold foam that just hit that with some iced espresso, and man, brings you back. That's Dave. He's back too. Yeah, back to his old Dave self.
You ain't not go far.
It said 30% chance, but better than the rain falling from the sky. We got the water coming in the pipe.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, it's. I guess it's better. Yeah. What are you doing today besides flexing? Go on and act like you lift weights, man. You haven't lifted a weights in a while.
Yeah. Yesterday.
Which weight?
Eh?
Which weight?
Wednesday.
Really? Uh-huh. How's that treadmill going?
Good.
Yeah? Okay. Well, we got work to do whenever you're ready. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the kids have gotten into the Netflix. Mario yesterday was like, we put on Dave's account on the treadmill so you can watch, like, I don't know, some cartoon that they were watching, and he was like, how far have I got? Because you can minimize the fitness screen just to have like a regular TV showing, but then just with the press of a button it'll show you. He had already walked 1.5 miles, and he was like, so fast, so quick. And I was like, yeah, that's what happens when you're watching TV. Like, time goes by fast. So gotten kind of into it, not gonna lie. I put in 3 miles on 3 miles on Sunday. Yeah, 3 miles on Sunday, 3.5 miles on Sunday, walking. Level, didn't do the incline, got to get back into it. And then I did 3 miles yesterday, watching the documentary about the cruise ship that tipped over back in like 2014 over Italy area. But yeah, you just set the pace to 3 or 3.5 and go for a stroll and watch TV. Like, God, we're pretty dialed in. Yeah, but their schoolwork is still going strong. 4 for 4 in those ones. Andre's reading about Pinocchio. Not the Disney version. Not the Disney version. Dave's reading about... Oh, I should know this. So put myself on the spot here. Junior's reading about Peter Pan. Oh, Dave's reading Alice in Wonderland. Also not the Disney version. They're like throwing babies and stuff. It's a thing. But all in all, yeah, it's going well. Mario's reading about Treasure Island. I don't think he's fully grasping the concepts as of yet. I think we've had had to go back and like, do you realize what just happened? But all in all, the streak continues. So, and they know the icing at the top of the cake, or the treasure chest at the end of the rainbow. They've seen it. I showed them. They didn't get to touch it, but they've seen them. And we'll see what comes of that today. Coffee plants looking pretty happy. And the lychee. Yeah, survived a week unscathed. Bigger bro right here. 3 lychees. Still going strong. Oh, really? That's a problem. Went to go make some eggs. Guess what I found out?
Oh, yeah, they're not good.
Oh, worse than that.
You don't make egg and you find out something more.
There was no eggs left.
Well, good for you.
Isn't she great? So supportive. There's got to be eggs around here somewhere. Well, we got one. Almost got it. All right. Breakfast is served, guys. Thank you. If you guys could lay a few more, that'd be great, okay? Yeah? I know. You're welcome. So there I was, just minding my own breakfast business. Dave came along and said,
Oh, yeah, right, bro.
"What are we all right about?" with his big man voice. "What are we going to write about today?" That's what I heard. And I said, Dave, actually I haven't said it yet, so I'm going to say it right now. Yesterday, Andre was on the treadmill. You know what Andre was watching while he was watching and walking? Spider-Man.
Me all right, boy.
Oh, you're not writing about Spider-Man.
Oh,
Are you ready?
yeah.
Junior's ready. If you had one superpower,
Me all know.
what would it... No kidding, ain't that the truth? If you had one superpower, what would you choose to have? Can you... I did. This is twice now, you're interrupting me. Third time, I go down swinging. We all know how that ends. Anyway, if you had one superpower... Speaking of superpowers, yeah, hydrogen peroxide hair, it's a thing for the summer. It'll get cut off. If you had one superpower, which superpower would you choose? And what would you do with it?
Yeah, but me can't have a superpower.
That's the key word, if.
If.
Yes. So we've gone from writing... Dave, take your time.
Make up word. If.
Yes. So we've gone from writing nonfiction. You've been writing things about actual events. And today we transition into the fiction world.
No, me not
Yes.
like cartoons.
But you're not a cartoon. You're a real boy.
You say if.
Andre's reading Pinocchio. It's out.
If me have
If you were a superhero with us, well, maybe you'd be a supervillain at this point.
more than one power.
Then you write about why you wouldn't want to have the superpower.
Well,
That's a great essay. If you had the choice to be able to choose any superpower in the world,
And you came back and said, I wouldn't want it. There's a lot of valid
You know
reasons.
nobody have superpower?
Yes.
Who?
God.
Who else?
Exactly. Good luck, Dave.
Hey,
You got
yeah,
this.
yeah,
He's gonna
yeah.
read it for you later. Yay.
No
No pressure. Peer pressure. Everyone's doing it. You good? Why do you're following me all morning? I know I missed you too, but yo, we gotta fix your ear. You're hold on. You're looking kind of okay. You good? We need to get you a pirate patch, bro. Bye. See ya. Have a good day. Can't wait to hear how it goes. Make sure you learn something. Yay! Don't spend all your money in one place. Goodbye. Love the socks, Junior. Those look like trampoline socks. Mm-hmm. See you later. All right, I gotta show my new favorite website. And I haven't even scratched the surface on how cool it is, but check it out. CommonCoreSheets.com. CommonCoreSheets.com. You can filter by, well, in this case, we're working on fractions. Filter by grade level, problem type, specific operations. So, for example, yesterday, Andre worked on this one, which was about splitting shapes into fractions. Cool. Provides an answer key for those that need it. But we go back. The boys, other boys, they worked on shading in fractions, which I believe was grade 4. Yeah. So while they worked on shading in fractions, yesterday they did adding, today they're going to do subtraction. But the best part about this thing is there's 10 different pre-made worksheets on the exact same standard, the exact same problem types. So I don't have to worry about kids looking at other kids' answers because I just update the worksheet to pre-made number 2, printable PDF, and they're good to go. So now you know, commoncoresheets.com, and this is only math. I haven't even gotten to reading or spelling, so we're gonna enjoy using this all summer, that's for sure. Man, the technology we have these days and the tools we have that are free and available. All right, Dave asked for his word, so I have to do that. So what do we got to do first?
But no, not to take away the 6 and this.
Well, we got to draw what we have. So draw the 6 2/3. No, fill in 6. 1, 2. Fill in the first number, Mario, not the second number. No, you don't have to erase nothing. Just fill it all in. Okay, now that we have 6 2/3, we're going to take away the whole numbers first. How many should you cross out?
3.
Okay, cross out 3 of the pies. Okay, now how much of the pieces do you got to cross out? How many pieces do you need to cross out?
1.
1. So cross out 1 of the piece. Okay, now you just count what you have left. How many whole pies do you have left that you didn't cross out?
3 and 1 left back.
1, 2, 3. So we put 3 whole. And how many pieces? So how do we read that number?
1/3.
The whole number, the mixed number.
3.
3 and
1/3.
1/3. 1/3. Cool. Got it. That's it. Draw the first number and the pieces, then take away the second whole number and then the second pieces. Got it? Cool. Oh well, remember that other day we had 40 chickens to process? Well, when you wonder what's for dinner, Something tells me it's gonna be chicken tonight. We're gonna be all right. All right, what's up? Okay, 7, 5, 4 fifths. So you filled in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Crossed out 5. And you had 4 fifths. Crossed out 3. Made back 2 and 1. Nice. Who's chicken now, Mario? Who's chicken now? I don't know. We'll see. And Beans, our broiler coop, has been empty for a few weeks now since, we went on that whole vacation thing. We did order 25 more baby chicks to pick up on Thursday. I think 40 was a lot. And they didn't have a whole lot of space. And so I think 25 is a nice happy medium that we can do for the next 6 weeks or so. I think we're gonna scale back the commercial processing and just focus on having chickens for the yard here. But it's fun and they're pretty easy. And we got solar and generators, and I think 25 is a good number. And we only lost 5%. We only lost 2 of the 40 last time, so we're getting pretty dialed in. But more baby chicks coming Thursday, and they'll be ready in 6 weeks, which means we got 6 weeks to eat a lot of chicken. And that's the chicken story for today.
My superpowers. If I could have one superpower, it would be Superman. First up, the reason I chose superpower is because so if someone need help, I would have all the powers to help them out. Also, Superman got a lot of power, like flying, jumping high, and more. Secondly, things I would do with my superpower is helping people, saving animal life from danger, and help change bad people life from fighting. Also, I could help people work on their house to make it quicker. I know I cannot have superpowers, but I can be strong, honest, and work hard every day. I will make good choice and never give up when things are difficult by being kind and believing in myself, and I cannot become a real life Superman in my own way. That is my Superman power. Thank you guys.
What's great about putting Netflix? Well, great and not so great. You put Netflix on the treadmill, and they're on the treadmill like all day. But I guess that's a good thing? I don't know. But you know what's great about having Josh here? He can correct Mario's work while I sit down with Dave, who's still marking up my book with pen marks. That's not a long time, Dave. That was 2 days ago. Page 61. If you're on page 83, that was 2 days ago. Cool.
No.
Okay. Anyway, Alice in Wonderland. Ooh, A Mad Tea Party, Chapter 7. This ought to get good. All right, Dave. There is a dormouse at the Mad Hatter Tea Party. Cool. He even has lines. Let's move on. Yes, what's the main problem?
They never do want to get no more
No more what?
tea.
They didn't want to give her any more tea.
Mm.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Take some more tea, the March Hare said to Alice, very earnestly. I've had nothing yet, Alice replied in an offended tone, so I can't take more. And then he says, you mean you can't take less? It's very easy to take more than nothing. I want a clean cup, interrupted the Hatter. And then they all switched seats. So it sounds like they offered her tea. And the March Hare then spilled the milk jug onto his plate, and Alice got up and walked off. And the Dormouse fell back asleep. Didn't even notice she left.
You spilled a milk?
No, that's not. We need the major problem. Like, she showed up to a tea party. Did she have a good time?
No,
Why not?
because they never did nice to her.
Well, Alice showed up for the tea party, Dave, and she did not have a great time. I mean, that's the easiest way to sum it up. They told riddles that she couldn't guess, and then they didn't know the answer to them.
So that I problem?
Well, I know it's kind of a mute part of the story, but it's a mad tea party. Don't you think if you go to a tea party, you want to have a good time? How many tea parties have you been to?
One.
You went to a tea party? Great, how was it?
Good.
Did you sit next to the Mad Hatter? No. Great, so let's write the problem. So if she didn't have a good time at the tea party, what did she do?
Walk away.
She got up and left. Did anybody even notice?
No.
Okay, well, that's how she fixed the problem. She got up and left, and nobody really cared. What's the new word, Dave?
P-H-N.
How do you spell it?
P-L-E-N-T-Y.
What does PL make? Okay. Huh?
Pile.
Pull and T.
Plenty.
T.
Plenty.
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 Plenty. And what does plenty mean?
It means you got enough already.
Right. So, like, we had pizza last night. Did you have plenty?
No.
No, because you wanted more. But if you had plenty, you would have had more than enough to enjoy yourself.
Mm-hmm.
What's the word?
Plenty.
How do you spell it?
P-L-E-N-T-Y.
So she left the tea party. She walked into the forest. What did she do? What did she do when she got into the forest? She ate something.
Mushroom.
How tall did she get?
A foot tall.
Good, a foot tall. Okay. What do you think is going to happen next?
She'll go walk in a garden.
That's not what you wrote.
What go happen next?
Yes, number 7.
She will go and find some new friends.
Okay. All right, final part. You think they're going to find some new friends in the future? She probably will. It's Alice, you know, she's going places, literally. What lesson or message did you learn from today's reading?
Never to go in people's yard when they are keeping things.
When they're keeping party, don't just walk up into the yard. Wow, that should apply out here too, huh?
Not going to people party, not invite.
Uninvited, exactly.
Oi!
They're supposed to do a mile a day, dude.
But you want to 7 mile?
7. Well, you're over 2 already.
But the movie nice.
Okay, I'm gonna walk away. Mac and cheese is ready if you want any. If you want to take a. No, you're not gonna take a break.
For cooking.
You're welcome, Dave. Thank you for eating and leaving some for everybody else. Wow. We'll go sit down and eat. You guys are left to eat, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, help yourself.
Don't go for cooking.
Thank you for not eating in the kitchen.
Susanna.
Yes, Maureen.
So when I go hotel?
Next month.
Next month. When?
I don't know.
Up in a talk.
Oh, hi, Josh. Welcome back to the conversation. What's up?
Up in a talk.
About what?
I'm already son.
When we're going to the hotel next month. In the middle of next month.
In October?
Wow, Josh, tell me. Yeah, August is next month. Really?
No, not really.
Really?
No, not really.
Okay. Yeah,
It's what?
one more little outing on this island. Yeah, before we go back to school. The invitee list still up in the air. So, how did it go?
Never sweat, monsieur.
You got that treadmill shine going on, I see. Okay, 3.4 miles. And the show's not even over.
Yeah, done.
Oh, that's all. Oh, you finished it. You walked the whole movie. And how do you feel, Mario? Tell the kids at home how you feel.
They feel heavy.
Okay, well, you know what's about to get heavier because France is playing and we gotta watch. Ready? They'll be fine.
Silence.
Andre, it's almost 3 o'clock, bro. You got nothing done. Time is ticking. It's halftime. Guess who's losing? France. I know. Mbappe's losing right now, bro.
I hate that.
Well, yeah, it's on the TV, but it's halftime. Maybe we should get at least one of our things done, because you got a lot to do, and everybody else is, like, done with their stuff. Dave's done. Mario's done. Junior's at his summer class right now. But Junior hasn't started nothing either. He's supposed to be back anytime. That's it. Craig hasn't done anything this whole time. You know that. But maybe grab the math, because that's the easy one. But we can knock that out real quick. Fractions? Huh? I know you like fractions. No? Okay, well, we'll figure it out. Up to you, man. The writing is a fun one today. It's still half a page for you. You ready? Are you sure? If you had one superpower, what would it be? And what would you do with it? Why are you laughing? You already know? You want to read people's minds? You want to be invisible? You want to be super speedy? You want to be able to fly? You want to be able to turn into a fireball and whatever that superpower does? I don't know. Spider-Man? Superman? What? You want to be invisible? Then you got to write your page about why being invisible would be so great and what you would do. Would you be a superhero or a supervillain? Super what? A normal person that's just invisible? Oh, I can't wait to hear about it, Andre. Can't wait. It's gonna fun? Yeah, okay. Andre's invisibility writing.
What?
Soon come. Andre's gonna be invisible. Invisible.
Invisibility.
What'd you choose?
I choose fly. Invisibility.
You get 2.
Invisibility.
Why do you gotta be invisible if you can fly?
Calm, so you don't see me again. Once again, you don't see me again.
I still see you.
I'm black. That's all.
Wow. It's because you're not flying, dude.
It's when you start to call me. Yeah.
Okay, yes, we'll call you.
The reason why they see us here because
boy.
you can't disappear.
Exactly. No, it's because you're too loud, dude. Like, you could be invisible, we'd still hear you.
You see me?
And now you don't. Bye.
You see me?
Oh my gosh, you're gone. That's the best magic superpower ever. Andre, it's dead. All right. You're going to have to figure out how to spell invisible, too.
I-N-V-I-C-I-V.
Remember saying visibly, nobody now say nothing.
There ain't no C, man. Don't listen to Mario. Oh, boy. We'll get it. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna watch the second half first. You got this.
Good morning, YouTubers. So I'm just coming from school and I do maths today and language arts and spellings. And tomorrow I am going to do science and social study. And I need the spellings and clean up the library. And after that, I am coming home back and see you tomorrow. So bye. This is right.
Is what right?
This.
What is this? Let's not use a pronoun. Be specific. What is it that you're talking about?
This.
What is this? That's a paper.
Yeah, this.
Okay, what number are you referring to?
1.
What is the problem?
Take away.
No, but like, what are the numbers? You have one mixed number minus another mixed number. What is the?
7.
Is what?
7.
How do you read that? How do you read that fraction? That mixed number?
7.
7 and.
A quarter.
No, it's not.
No, third.
How many thirds?
2.
2 thirds. 7 and 2 thirds minus how much?
2 thirds. 2.
Minus 3 and 2 thirds. And you have the answer of?
4.
Yes, that's correct. Keep going. Right. How many do we start with?
5. 6.
6. Yeah, that's the easy part.
2.
Mm-hmm.
3. 4. 5. 6.
And how many pieces do you have?
3.
No. How many pieces do you have?
6.
How many pieces out of 12 do you have?
1, 2.
Junior, look at the first mixed number. You have a 6. You have a 5/12. Where's the 5 pieces you need to have?
Out here.
Then fill in the 5 pieces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now, what do we take away first?
The 3.
Okay, the 3 whole pieces.
1, 2, 3.
And how many pieces do
1,
we
2, 3.
have? How many pieces do we take away?
4.
And take away 4 pieces.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now, how much are we left with?
3.
3 whole
3,
pies.
1, 12.
Any questions?
Yes.
Do you have a question?
Yes. Can you help me with the writing?
No, right now, dude.
No,
You gotta
not the
finish the
writing.
math. No, we gotta bring Josh home soon. I'm not going to. No. When we get back from bringing Josh home, you finish your math first. I should be getting it. Okay. Oh, this is the victory dance. That was it? Oh, boy. All right. That's all right.
Nothing at all.
My team plays tomorrow. It's all good.
I never lose.
Wow. He's a messy hater. We're going to do it. All right. Speaking of doing things, time to get Josh a ride home. It'll be okay. Well, all good times gotta come to an end. When are you back, Josh? When are you back? Friday? Thursday? Time will tell. Junior, what's your superpower?
To be the fastest boy in the world.
The fastest boy in the world.
On the earth.
Well, I think the world and the earth are probably the same thing. What are you going to do with that?
What?
What are you going to do with your superpower?
I'm gonna show people and be famous.
I'm going to be famous.
I run on the national stadium and beat the world record.
Just bringing some kids home.
Oh,
Doing my duties, man.
Dala, we can't get ice cream.
We'll see.
Go down the gully.
All right.
Yeah.
Take care, man.
Okay.
So you have the fastest boy in the world, and you're only worried about being famous.
My papa boy is
Boy.
life
Oh, boy.
and in
Anyway, we gotta go. All right, gentlemen. You know the drill. Hello, Mario.
Josh.
Mario. How about some patience?
Josh, so you say.
There's no, Josh, you guys get out of the car,
Yes.
and then the people behind you get out of the car.
Josh, so you
Let's
say.
have a little bit of respect for
Hello.
people. Dave, do you hear an adult talking? That's me. Trying to get everybody out of the car to go get some ice cream. And thank you for those in the back having patience. Realizing the world does not revolve around them. I'm requesting a chocolate if they have, actually coffee rum if they have. If they don't have coffee rum, I'd like a chocolate. If they don't have a chocolate, let me know what they have.
How much money did you get? 4,000?
How many ice creams are there? Math problem, guys. How much is the ice cream? $2.50. How many of us are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Try again. Honey, this is for the children.
Oh,
Thank
I know
you.
this is 100.
Okay, so how much money do you need?
$2,000.
How much is it going to cost?
$2.50. How much for ice cream? $4.
$2.50 one ice cream. There's 7 ice creams.
10,000.
2,000.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Is that
7.
even a number?
4.
No.
Me
Mara,
no.
I didn't want an answer to my math
800.
problem. What?
800 close?
You're not even on Earth, dude.
Listen to me, I'm telling you easy way
No,
to check
Sonia,
your
I
money.
don't want you to tell them the easy way. I want them to figure it out. I know you want to give them the answer. I know you
Oh,
do.
me
It's
no.
okay. I do too. But wow, guys.
$750.
Yeah, so
$1,750.
Junior, give him the money.
Yes.
No, honey, why are you giving him too much money then? That was it. $1,750. Way to go, Junior. There will be ice cream. I don't know if this day can get much better, dude. We got 2 out of our 3 water tanks filled. And they got coffee rum ice cream. Heck,
2 or 3 water tank, which one I do? The 2 black tank them full?
just about, yeah. And there's coffee rum ice cream.
I must say bottom tank full. The top 1/2 or whatever 3/4. Now what?
Just keep that positive energy going, dear. You got this.
Tyler, me just tell you what me know. Me don't know if you full, cause you say you never full.
It's coffee rum ice cream.
What is it? I got to eat.
Yep.
After I drop free ice cream them.
Okay. You're welcome. Everybody in?
Your foot.
Mind your feet. Almost. Ooh, road. What's going on here, Josh? Got a little,
Oh yeah, party.
little bamboo party. All right, sir. You missed the party.
Oshiki party.
I missed the party.
Josh, we will see you soon, man. Guys, if you got empty ice creams, there's a rubbish right there. That would be a good time.
In the marrows.
Make sure you got everything.
Let everybody.
Come on, Josh. Andre, can you throw that in the rubbish for me, please? Thank you. Careful, there's a little bit of... Yeah. Okay, bye! I'll just wait here. Aw, they're so helpful.
At first, they want to go fast.
Right.
People, they almost said, them are fast, they want to go fast.
That too.
They go fast and come back.
Anyway, we're gonna
I'm
go
talking
home.
about
Yeah.
it.
It's C.
Why is it C?
Cause a C.
Well, explain to me why. How many's in the first one?
1 and 4.
1 out of 4. How many's in the second one? Count.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3. A C.
So what does C say?
1, 4, and 3.
And which one's bigger?
The 3.
All right. Correct answer is C, man. All right. Getting math done. We're getting close to 8 o'clock. We gotta hurry.
The color of the
There's an
rainbow.
S on color, Junior.
Colors of the rainbow.
Okay.
John
Introduce.
introduced a new way for eating the bubble with the add insect instead of
So what's the most important event that happened?
Pinocchio got 5 cards.
Okay. And what did he do with them? Or what happened after that? Important stuff.
Give his papa one
Well, he was going to go buy his papa what? Thank you.
a coat.
Right. He was going to buy back the coat. But did he do that?
No.
No. What did he decide to do instead?
Go to food stand.
With who?
The blanket and the lamp box.
Good. All right. They did it. It was a doozy. It got a little down to the wire, but honest, Andre finished Pinocchio right at 9 o'clock in the nick of time. We're reading back and forth, which is, I think, helping with the fluency and not dragging out the words. We got a work to go, but word recognition and sounding out, it's going really nice. Junior read about Tiger Lily and Peter Pan and getting rescued off the rock. And Andre decided he wanted to be invisible. So we will end tonight with a bedtime story by Andre. The day he got his superpowers. Tell him good night, Junior.
Good night, YouTubers.
Wow.
My superpower. You're gonna go to bed.
Yeah, it's a bedtime story.
I got a superpower. My superpower is invisibility.
Good.
I ate a special sweetie. I bought it from a sweetie shop on the side of the road. All I have to do is snap my finger and I will go invisible. When I'm invisible, you won't see me. I will run around the house and play hide and seek with my friends. I will also help people by saving them from bad guys. I would not be invisible all the time because if people call me and they don't know where I am, they also want to be able to see my I also want to be able to see myself in the mirror.
All right, well, all you gotta do is snap and you're invisible.
And
1, 2, 3.
see.
Nice. Let's go. Okay, that's great. Let's
You
go.
know about that bike.
I'll get it later, dude. I don't know. I guess. Tomorrow, the next day, the day after that, like.